I'm Mari with Mari Sews, and thanks for hanging with me, you all. So today is Vlogmas Day 22, and I made some popcorn bags! Actually, I made 3 of them. And you all, these were the quickest project that I've done today. They were so insanely simple. With 1 yard of quilting cotton, I was able to make all 3 of these popcorn bags, you all. I used Christine Sews a lot. Well, her tutorial that she had posted on her YouTube channel. So I'll be sure to put the link to that in the description box below. You all, she seriously walks you through the entire process. So if you're a beginner sewer, this is a perfect project for you because there's few pieces to cut out and you get a really beautiful end result. So let me share with you some of the really cool things about this really simple popcorn bag. So it has an envelope entrance where you can put your popcorn in. You just pour it right on in there and you close it up like that. It's also super easy to get your hands on in there for that last hidden little piece of popcorn. And Christine's version does have boxed corners so that it has that flat bottom edge. I really do like the boxed corners because I feel like when it's full with popcorn, it's just going to be super convenient to lay on your lap. And the really cute fabric that I use for this is actually an unbleached cotton. And you can see it has a Santa cat. He's controlling the reindeer. Isn't that just such a fun fabric? I did find this fabric over at fabric.com. Now, I don't think that it's in stock anymore. However, if it is, I'll be sure to include it in the links below along with Christine's tutorial. So I made these bags as gifts. Well, 2 of them are gifts. This one's mine. And when I was at Target, I found these really fun little sauce containers. And I thought that they were just the perfect size for popcorn. I was actually, full disclosure, I was looking for those little tiny mini mason jars, but they were just wiped clean. And I thought that, oh, this is the next best thing. And, you know, it's really reusable. It's leak proof. And it came in different colors. So in case any of you all are interested in these containers, they're called Ello. I got them at Target. And it's a condiment container set. There was 4 of them that came in this little box, and they hold about 4 ounces, which is roughly half a cup. Which honestly is pretty perfect, considering that you would have to pour half a cup into here. Well, you don't put the container in there. You want to put the popcorn kernels, pour them in there, and then microwave your popcorn, and it's going to go pop, 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 pop. Just like that. I'm going to put this into one of the sacks that I made using my friend Michelle's tutorial. And if you want information on how to make a drawstring sack in any size, check out this video right over here. And you all, I hope that you're having a very wonderful holiday season. And until next time, I sincerely hope that you find joy and have a wonderful day.